Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the video effect as a transition in CapCut PC. Alright, for instance, I'm going to select images to the clip. So to add effect as a transition, just go to effect and select the video effect you like. For example, I'm going to select the um, sorry, the shack transition and add the drag and make it shorter, and you can put on top between the clip like so. Copy paste and put on top another clip just between the clip, so you can see the final result. Right, so this is video effect, but I use this for the transition, so you can also make this transition. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.